Hola or hola, or you could say bonjour. That's Spanish, Portuguese, and French way of saying hello. I hope you're all doing super duper fantabulous. I miss you like crazy. I wish we were together, but obviously understand the situation and what's going on. So I hope you're doing great, and hopefully you're having a blast and a half as you are learning about Latin America. This place is amazing. It is totally swasem just like you guys, and so I hope you are discovering all that it has to offer in a little way that we're showcasing here with you. What I want to do is just let you know, first of all, that I miss you guys, I care about you, I love you, I'm here for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. We're available by email or Google Classroom, kind of whatever you need. If you need us to call you, we can definitely do that too. Please reach out and let us know how we can help. We want you to be successful. We know this is a difficult time and everybody's trying to figure things out, so we're just trying to make the best of an unfortunate situation. So thanks for being awesome, and continue the great work with Latin America as we're going to continue on this week. I want to real quick go through a few things just to make sure things are clear and you are good to go. So if you take a look in Google Classroom, you can find all of the assignments. Otherwise, on my lesson plans, I've got the geography e-learning for this week as well. Kind of details everything, lays it out for you to see, maybe in a little more organized way for you if that's helpful. One of the first things you need to do is be working on the map challenge. Last week we asked you to be doing this, and so hopefully this week you're able to run with a map challenge. If you click this link, it'll take you to the All of Latin America kind of online Cetera game. This is the one that you need to do, and you're going to need to send me a screenshot of it. I would love it if you'd get 100%. That way you can get full credit. However, if you are absolutely not able to, send me the best that you can do. One thing to keep in mind too is if this all 28 countries is too hard to start with the down below where we've got it broken down into the regions. That'll be a little simpler, easier, helping you to get that. Then go back and take all 28 countries. Right now, we have Chloe Van Ginkel with a top time, 43 seconds. Way to go, Chloe. See if you can pick it up a little bit and see if you can beat me. But right now, she has the top prize, which is awesome. So try to catch her. Back on this document takes you through what you should have worked on Monday, Tuesday, and then now today for Wednesday. You're supposed to read the Cultural Celebrations article. So what this is a series of 6 celebrations and cultural components of Latin America. I want you to read through these. Once you've read through these here, like Piñatas, Carnaval, Capoeira, Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, Cinco de Mayo, Quinceañera. Once you read through those, you're going to discover some really cool things about Latin America. The next thing you'll need to do is take the Latin America comprehension check, kind of a quiz to make sure that you are good to go on what you've learned and you've understood. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is do a comic strip. If you follow the instructions, you should be good to go on how to do this. One thing you'll need to do is upload your comic strip with your name on it into the correct class period of where you are. Miss Huska created an example down below if you want to see her example of what yours could kind of look like, and given the details that help us explain to us that you understand 2 of these different cultural celebrations from Latin America. Back on the overview, what you can see is we have an optional extra credit. This is not mandatory. It's just something fun that you could do with your family. And I hope you do, because Latin America is so cool. And so why not make a little fun with your family and enjoy Latin America in a creative way from your home? Or as Aiden Zur asked, wherever you want to do it, you can totally do it someplace other than your home as well. But what this might look like is maybe you want to create an experience for them. Maybe it's one of the Latin American celebrations you want to do and enjoy and reenact as part of a family. Maybe you want to find a recipe. If you look here, we've got a link. So we've got a recipe from Latin America that you might want to find. There's the different regions. Find a couple different things to give them a whirl. Amazing food. I'm going to try it this week. I'll show you my video that I'm going to make showing you what we made as a family here. You could also click on the slideshow. This slideshow will take you through a couple ideas of movies, TV shows, the sports, music that maybe you want to incorporate part of your night too. Do some salsa dancing or tango lessons. Maybe you want to play a game, whether it be polo or soccer, and kind of make up your own rules, but try to make it work in your home. One other cool thing that I've learned about from Spain, it's this right here. It's called #FromMyWindow. What they've been doing in Spain is encouraging kids to put their artwork in the windows. That way people, when they're out on walks, walking by, can enjoy these pieces of art. Maybe you want to create something from Latin America or something that's graffiti you're thinking about, kind of like the murals and how important those are within Mexican culture. Maybe it's something else, whatever's on your mind or on your heart. Showcase something, put on the window to kind of brighten people's day. Whatever it is that you want to do as part of this kind of Latin American celebration from your home, if you want to do a quick little flip grid showing part of what you're doing and the fun, your own fiesta at home, that would be awesome. And you'll get extra credit for that if you choose to take advantage of this opportunity. The next option, or next thing that you have to do is on Thursday, is the current issue. If you look here in the current issue, you've got a couple different articles you can read from. You just need to choose one of these articles from Junior Scholastic. Click the link where you fill out the 2 questions. The first part of the question is a summary, what was the article about, and the second is your opinion. And then the last thing for the day is an escape room. And so this escape room is really kind of cool. It's a review of what we've gone through for Latin America. And your goal is to escape by answering these questions. If you don't escape, you're going to be in Latin America forever, which actually isn't that bad. As you've seen through the physical features, it's a pretty awesome place. Amazing place that I cannot wait to get back to. I've been to some of them, but your slideshows made me excited to get to a few more of those. Anyways, follow the instructions, and what you've got is a series of 4 rooms that you're going to have to escape through. Once you get to the final one, you've got a task that you need to take part in. So please be working on these things. There's a lot of fun activities in here for you to learn. One other thing on the bottom of this, as you will see right here, is another optional thing. It's nothing you have to do, but if you click the link, it'll take you to kind of Latin America sharing. You can see that Caitlin Marsh found a really cool video of Angel Falls, so she posted that. And Junior wanted to show off a home of a famous Latino singer that he saw the home when he was in Mexico. And then somebody else posted this, which is really pretty sweet too. Christ Redeemer, which is one of the major monuments in Latin America and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. They actually lit it up with the flags of countries that are battling COVID-19. And so kind of a neat article and just a connection with Latin America. So whoever posted that, thank you too. Please put whatever you find interesting or exciting about Latin America on here. And I look forward to seeing what it is that you come up with as part of your Latin America experience. The big thing is we're trying to create awareness and help you learn about this place that not a lot of people know about. And so enjoy your time in Latin America as we finish out this week. Thanks for working hard. Know that we're here. We love you guys like crazy. Miss you and wish we could be in school, but hopefully we'll get to see each other before the end of the year. Again, don't hesitate to let me know if you have questions. And thanks for being you. You're a major blessing in my life. And again, love you. Adios.